solve this question effectively, we can use something called parity, which becomes increasingly important on later Olympiad problems. So sometimes you'd be looking at a question thinking, I have no idea how to do this, and then parity will actually save the day. And what parity is, basically, is whether something is odd or even. Now, let's take a look. This starting point here is kind of this, because it's at 0 minutes, it's actually sort of an even number of minutes. And then let's imagine we take a little path and go to here. This would be after 1 minute. This would be after an odd number of minutes. And there's no way that you can get back to this after an even number of minutes because if I'd gone this way instead, that would be odd, even, odd. There's like there's an odd number of edges to get to it, and even whatever route you go, it would be the same. And then to get to t, it would actually be an even number of minutes. Again, you could go this way, this way, this way. Instead of it being after 2 minutes, it could be after 4, but it would still be an even number of minutes. And that's what I mean by the parity. It's always going to be an even number of minutes to get to t. So there's no way that we can get to t after 2019 minutes. I can rule that one out. Um, keep on going. That one's going to be odd. That one's going to be even. So S is also not possible. But to get to Q, aha, it must be an odd number of minutes. To get to R would be even, and then this would be odd, and this would be even. Actually, it just alternates. I could have just kind of done that from the start. Odd, even, that would be even, odd. So I could label the whole thing. In the answers, they use ones and zeros, but I quite like just labeling it O and D. So all of the vertices that are labeled have even parity. I think that's the right way of saying it, except for Q, which basically the minute number would always be odd when we fall on it, and therefore the only possible vertice that the ants can be on at 2019 out of P, Q, R, S, and T is going to be Q.